Hi there, in this video I will talk about the location post type section, and it has two parts. The lower part was to correct the container, and you reviewed the template problems. I have answered and showed the solution in my previous video, but in this video I am going to repeat this. Previously, whenever we created this page template, we used the default one. Basically, default template is used to customize the child template to apply the code. In the Avada section, there is another template which is exclusive 100% width. And 100% width has a feature which is called interior content width, which is not available in the default template. The default template, you can see. That is why you are getting the problem, and all time you are finding this problem and telling us that we applied wrong CSS and other things, but our code didn't handle any CSS portion. So after reviewing the forum, we also found that it was not possible to copy the 100% width template and naming it with other template name. So we have copied the intact one and applied it into the child section, which is 100% width. We have applied the code, and this is the location section at the top, very top section. Here the page ID is fixed. So if you want to delete that page, you must need to reapply the page ID from the new page. Otherwise, you cannot delete the page and all information will come from here. Okay, so location section. So now you can see the location section right this way. So I hope you have got the answer, and it is now fixed, the container and the template problem. There was another thing, is the notes field does not appear. I answered that we did not apply the note field into the custom page section, because earlier we are facing the problem like the positioning. So I have told how to apply the note section to show that. But in this section, we altered the position. That means in my previous video we showed that how to apply that notes at the very top, just under the banner. To apply that banner, you must need to go to the page title bar, then default section, then you need to upload the banner from here, and you can write down the text. But here we didn't apply this thing, we just followed your selection. So here all the contents are coming. So the problem is where we can show it. So we found that just after the content which is coming directly from the container, this one, and just before the location which is coming from the custom template. That means, say you have applied content from the container, this one, blah blah, everything, other thing like this one, and then the notice will come. After that, the locations will be visible here. Another thing is all the notices will come at the bottom. So I just want to get your recommendation where to show the notice for the custom pages. If you are okay to show the notices just before the footer, then it will be common for all pages, whether it is generic or custom. But if you are okay, if you just want to show the notice for just after the banner, then you must need to follow for all pages, like the generic page and for the custom page, the banners will come from this section. The third option is for the custom pages, the banners and other things will come from the container and the location will be visible just before this or just before this. So I hope you will fix the position, location, and we will apply the rest of the custom pages. I hope you got the answer, or if you have any other problem or question, you can ask me.